Okay, we'll be opening a box of Leaf Limited 2007 football. So here we go. Nice little box. Alright. Looks like we got Greg Jennings on the top. Thick ones. Don't want it open. Alright, first card is Greg Jennings base card. It's numbered to 659. Second card, we got a Joe Theismann, numbered to 249. Very nice card. Alright, next card is looks like a David Irons rookie card. And that is numbered 399. And this one's turned backwards. We have a Brody Croyle jersey card, numbered to 100. Oh, look at this right here. Jamarcus Russell film card, slideshow card. Wow, what a hit. That is awesome. And that is numbered to 30. Wow. Awesome. What a great card. Those are pretty cool if you get the lighting on that. Sweet card. Oh, and look at this. Favorite team right here. Dolphins, even having a bad year. Very nice. Bob Greasy, Larry Zonka. Team double threads there. And that one is numbered to 100. Nice Dolphins Hall of Fame card there. The last card is a Brandon Jacobs base card, numbered to 659. So let's put these out here really quick. Alright, quick pan over here. Joe Theismann, Irons, Brody Croyle, Jamarcus Russell, which is awesome. Film card there. Numbered to only 30. And we had the Dolphins right there, numbered to 100, and then a Brandon Jacobs base card. Alright, sweet box. Thank you.